Today I am going to embroider this simple border design. I am going to begin with the stems. I am going to use green thread and I will do simple stem stitch. Simple stem stitch. After completing the stem, I am going to use the same green thread and I am going to do all the leaves using satin stitch. Simple satin stitch. Try and do the stitches very close to each other, then it looks nice. Do not leave gaps. This is the way I am going to do all the leaves. For doing the flowers, I have taken pink thread. For this, I have taken 6 strands of thread. I will start from here. I will do simple lazy daisy stitch for the flowers. Just put the thread round the needle like this. Gently pull the thread and put the needle down in front of the stitch. A very simple stitch, that is the lazy daisy stitch. Again, I will pick it up from here for the next flower, for the next petal. Again the same thing, pick up from here, put the thread round the needle like this and gently pull up the needle. And put the needle in front of the stitch. Just that. Again for the next petal, I am going to pick it up from here and again the same thing. The thread round the needle and put the needle in front of the stitch. That's all. That's how I am going to do all the petals. For these 2 lines over here, I am going to do running stitch first on these 2 lines. I have taken pink thread for doing the running stitch. Simple running stitch for these 2 lines. That's the first thing I am going to do. You can do 2 or 3 stitches at the same time. Do not leave too much gap between the stitches. That is all. First on these two lines I will do that. On these two lines over here. After completing the running stitch, I have taken white thread. I will start from here. I will go through this stitch. Again, go back through this stitch over here, only through the stitches and not through the cloth. Again, through this stitch over here. Again, go back through this stitch. We'll go back through this stitch. And to the next stitch over here. Again, it's very simple. It's not through the cloth, it is through the stitches. Again, go back here. Through this stitch over here. That is all. That is how I am going to complete this line. After completing the flowers, I'll do the center of the flower using satin stitch. Simple stitch for filling in. A very simple stitch. Three or four stitches would be enough to fill in this. That's all. After completion, the design will look like this. If you have liked my video tutorial, then kindly like, share and subscribe. Thank you.